Smile and learn.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Feli, and I have a new friend to introduce to you. My friend is just there. Can you call my friend over?
My friend's name is Air. Come here, Air. Say Air.
One more time.
Air.
Louder.
Air. Terrific! Hello, Air. My friend Air is in the word hair. Listen closely. Hair. You have it on your head. Hair. Air. Hair.
Come on, let's sing.
Swimming, swimming in the bluest water. Sound sea, so free. Let's go down below. Hair, hair. Air, air. Stare, stare. Chair, chair. Fair, fair. Sound, see. What do you see? Treasure all around.
Great singing, everyone. Ta-ta for now.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.